This summer's heat wave taught me something. A fan can move hot air around the room, but it doesn't actually make the room cooler. Spoiler alert, I finally solved the problem of my house getting unbearably hot in the summer. Here's how I did it. Every product seemed to use the same buzzwords. So instead of reading another specification sheet, I decided to install the DREO 740S and find out what these features actually mean in everyday life. The first challenge with any portable AC is installation. Unlike a fan, you can't simply place it in the corner and forget about it. You need to install the window kit, connect the hoses, and make sure hot air can leave the room efficiently. Fortunately, the process here is straightforward. After connecting the dual hose system and sealing the window opening, everything was ready to go. What surprised me most is how important this step actually is. A portable air conditioner is only as effective as the airflow setup behind it. This is where things became interesting. Most people look at cooling power first, but after learning how portable ACs work, I realized airflow design may be even more important. A traditional single hose system pulls air from the room and pushes hot air outside through one exhaust hose. The problem is that this can create negative pressure inside the room. The AC removes air, and the room naturally tries to replace it with warmer air coming from outside. The DREO 740S uses two separate air paths. One hose brings air in, the other pushes hot air out. The goal is simple: keep the hot air outside and keep the room consistently cool. But airflow is only part of the equation. The DREO 740S also uses inverter technology. While the dual hose design helps move heat out more efficiently, the inverter system continuously adjusts cooling output based on the room conditions instead of repeatedly switching between full power and completely off. The result is a room that not only cools down efficiently, but also stays at a more consistent temperature while using energy more intelligently throughout the day. It's one of those things that immediately makes sense once you actually see it. Getting cold air near the machine is easy. Cooling an entire room evenly is much harder. To see how consistent the cooling really is, I placed temperature sensors in 3 locations. Then I started the cooling test. The room temperature dropped quickly, but what interested me more was how evenly it happened. Instead of creating one cold corner and one warm corner, the temperature became surprisingly consistent throughout the room. That is also where inverter technology starts to make sense. Rather than constantly switching fully on and fully off, the system adjusts its output as conditions change. Other days, it's the living room. And during summer evenings, it might be the bedroom upstairs. The biggest difference wasn't the temperature itself. It was how the room felt after an hour. Some cooling systems create a cycle where the room gets cold, warms up slightly, then cools again. Here, the experience felt much more stable. I also switched into eco mode and monitored power consumption during normal use. And that's really where efficiency matters. Not in a laboratory test, but when you're using it for hours during a heat wave. One claim I was especially curious about was the drainage-free system. To make the test more challenging, I increased the humidity in the room and let the unit run for several hours. Normally, higher humidity means more condensation, and eventually, many systems require manual draining. The DREO 740S is designed to manage that automatically while cooling. After hours of operation, there was still no interruption and no need to stop the test. This is also where the dry mode becomes useful. On humid days, removing moisture from the air can make the room feel significantly more comfortable, even before lowering the temperature. Noise is also one of the main reasons people hesitate with portable ACs. At the start, any AC will be more noticeable because it is working harder. But once the room is closer to the target temperature, the DREO 740S becomes much calmer. DREO says it can operate as low as 42 decibels in steady cooling mode. It reminded me more of a steady white noise machine, light rainfall, or the background sound of a quiet office. For sleeping, that's a much more pleasant experience than a system that constantly starts and stops throughout the night. One advantage of a portable system is flexibility. Some days, the hottest room is the home office. Other days, it's the living room. And during summer evenings, it might be the bedroom upstairs. Instead of cooling the entire house, you can simply move the cooling where you actually need it. That's probably the feature I underestimated most before using a portable AC. Before making this video, I assumed most portable air conditioners were basically the same. After spending time with the DREO 740S, I realized the biggest differences aren't always found on the specification sheet. Airflow design matters. Temperature consistency matters. Noise matters. And not having to think about drainage every day definitely matters. If you're looking for a portable cooling solution during this summer's heat wave, those are the things I would pay attention to first. You can find more information about the DREO 740S in the description below.